Welcome to Shamel. In this quick tutorial, we're showing how to export your work from Shamel scheduling to Movie Magic scheduling. Let's go to the Report tab. Under MMS Export, click Download. This will download the .sex file, which we will import into Movie Magic scheduling. Feel free to start a new schedule from your favorite template. Then go to File, Import, click Yes, and then change the file format to SEX files. Choose the file you just downloaded and then import. It will take a few seconds to import all the scenes, including the summaries and auto-detected elements and the scene orders as well. Once it's done, open your stripboard and then you'll find one empty scene. Delete that scene, go to the boneyard, and then you'll find all your scenes there. Select all and move them to the stripboard. Feel free to reach out to us if you need any support.